Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I understand the holy month ended and I'm sure you have few wedding invitation in your hands to attend. So I thought of creating Indian wedding guest makeup tutorial today. Off camera, I have done my eyebrows and apply my moisturizer. Today I'm using Mary Kay Intense Moisturizing Cream. This moisturizing cream is a rich, luxurious cream for dry skin that leaves skin looking immediately more radiant. Before starting my eye makeup, I apply MAC Prep Plus Prime as my eye base. And for my eye makeup today, I'm going to use Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. To set the eye base, I'm taking silk cream color and apply all over my eye area. Next, I'm applying Hunt's color on my crease area and blending with a blending brush. While you guys watching me blending my eyeshadow, if you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you will not miss any of my new poses. I post new videos on every Sundays. Next, I'm going to Chips color and apply it on my inner and outer corner of my eyes. Later, I will connect these two corners to create a halo look. Next, I'm going to take faint color and apply at the middle of my eyelid. I'm going to use my finger to apply it. If you decided to use your fingers instead of the brush, you may sanitize your hand for hygienic purpose. Next step is totally optional. I'm going to add some glitters on my faint eyeshadow. I got this glitter from a cash and carry near my place. You can use any glitter you have. I'm applying the glitter only on the center of the eyelid area on top of the fake eyeshadow. I almost forgot to tell you what is the shade color of this glitter. This is silver in color. To highlight my brow bone, I'm taking Enlight from the same eyeshadow palette. Moving to my face makeup, I'm going to apply NYX Perfect Photo Loving as my face primer. It has silica on it and it will blur pores and give a smooth surface for foundation application. I apply the primer on my face and neck area. It is important to apply primer on your neck area too so that the foundation will not move and have a surface to hold the foundation which we are going to apply next. You can choose to skip applying face primer for your daily makeup, but it is good to apply face primer before the foundation so that the makeup will last longer and give a flawless finishing if you plan to get ready for a special occasion. For my foundation today, I'm using L'Oreal True Match in shade N7. This is a lightweight liquid foundation and blends easily to create a natural looking and flawless finishing. I apply the foundation all over my face and neck area. With a foundation brush, I'm going to blend the foundation. I'm using dab method to blend the foundation. To highlight my highest plane of my face, I'm using L'Oreal True Match Concealer in Golden Honey. This is a lightweight concealer too and super easy to blend. Next, I'm going to set my face with Rona Sutra Mineral Powder in shade 03 Natural Buff. I'm going to take very little amount of powder and dab all over my face and neck area. This is not a loose powder, therefore I'm not going to bake my face today. To bring back the warmth on my face, I'm going to apply Butter Bronzer from Physician Formula. I'm using the same bronzer to contour my nose too. Next, I'm going to highlight highest plane of my face with Mineral Pearl from Physician Formula using a big fan brush. Then I'm taking NYX Sweet Cheeks blusher palette and taking this rosy pink for my blusher today. I'm applying it on my apple of my cheeks. For your convenience, I have listed all the products I used in this makeup tutorial in the description box. Now I'm going to complete the eye makeup, and today I do not apply any loose powder under my eyes before finishing the eye makeup. Going back to my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and pressing the Hunt and Chips color closer to my lower lashes. I left the center area empty. Later I'm going to apply the faint color like how I did on my eyelid area. To tighten up my waterline, I'm taking my Maybelline Kajal eyeliner. Next, I'm going to draw my eyeliner using Kat Von D eyeliner. To give a twist to this eye makeup, I'm going to apply the same glitter under my lower lashes. This is totally optional. For my mascara today, I'm taking my Silky Girl Big Eye Mascara. I apply on both upper and lower lashes. Next, I'm applying Enlight eyeshadow on my inner corners using a pencil brush. For my lipstick today, I'm going with Bear With Me from Physician Formula. To set my entire face today, I'm using NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Off camera, I have put on my sari, bindi and this beautiful oxidized accessories from Swastika Charms. I have provided her Insta link in the description box too. So guys, this is the complete look of today's makeup tutorial and I love the way the makeup turns out. I hope you guys enjoy watching this makeup tutorial too. If you do, please give me thumbs up and share my video. And if you recreate this makeup look, don't forget to tag me in my social media. I have provided all my social media link in the description box below too. I will see you next week with a brand new exciting tutorial. Love you all. Bye bye.